In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up Google Ads conversion tracking for a purchase event using the new 2025 interface. Whether you're just getting started with Google Ads or updating your tracking setup, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you configure everything correctly so you can monitor your campaign's success with precision. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Ads website. Once there, click on the Sign In button and log in with the account associated with your ad campaigns. You must be logged in to make any edits or updates to your settings. After signing in, you'll land on the main Google Ads dashboard. Now, look for the section labeled Goals and click on it. This area is where you define what counts as a conversion for your business. It could be a purchase, a lead form submission, or any other valuable action a user takes on your website. Since we're focusing on purchases, this is where you'll set up that specific goal. Next, click on the new Conversion Action button. This will open a setup window where you can choose the type of conversion you want to track. Select website since you're tracking a purchase event that occurs on your site. Once you've chosen this option, click on Start Tracking to proceed. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your domain name. Type it carefully. Accuracy is important because this allows Google to properly connect your site with your ad account. After entering your domain, click Scan. This scan helps Google identify existing tags or code on your site, making the setup smoother. When the scan is complete, go to the Conversion Goals section and select Purchase as desired action to track. This tells Google Ads that whenever someone completes a purchase on your site, it should count as a conversion. Now, it's time to add your conversion details. You'll be prompted to enter a clear, descriptive name. For example, product purchase or checkout completed. Naming your conversion helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to track multiple types of actions later. Once you've done that, click Done and then Save to lock in your settings. The final step involves linking your website with Google Ads tracking. Click on the Google Tag section. This part is essential because it's where you set up or verify that the correct tracking tag is installed on your site. The tag acts as a bridge between your website and Google Ads, allowing the system to record when a conversion happens after someone clicks your ad. Follow the on-screen instructions to add or update your tag code. And that's it. Your Google Ads conversion tracking for a purchase event is now set up using the new interface. With these steps completed, your ad campaigns can now accurately measure purchases, giving you valuable insights into which ads drive real results. By setting this up properly, you'll have the data you need to optimize your ad spend, target the right audience, and improve overall performance. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you track your conversions effectively. Keep testing, keep learning, and watch your advertising success grow.